In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of changing your password for your Threads account. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. A password is an important thing for any account. Whether you're using an Android device or another platform, the process remains quite easy to follow and consistent. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening the Threads application on your device. To access your profile, tap the Profile button located at the lower right corner of your screen. Now, locate the two small lines at the upper right corner of your screen, situated beside the Instagram logo. Tap on these lines, then select Account, and further select Security. You will be redirected to the Instagram application at this point. To proceed, select the Change Password option. This step logs you out of all active sessions except the one you're currently using, ensuring the security of your account in the event of unauthorized access attempts. When setting a new password, ensure it is at least 6 characters long and contains a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Now, enter your current password, input your new password, and retype the new password to confirm it. Once everything is filled out, click on the Change Password button. Keep in mind that your Threads account is closely linked to your Instagram account. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Threads account password. Your account is now more secure. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.